welcome back to Life with Leah. Before we get started, today we're at the Atlantic City Aquarium. It's been closed for years. It finally opened after years, like 6 years. We don't really know why it took so long to do the renovations, but they finally opened again. So let's go in. I never went, but Mommy and Daddy have when they were dating. But now it's time to go for Maya's first time. So let's hop right into it, friends. But let's get out of here because I saw a couple lost over here. So let's run for it.
You ready to see some fishies?
Yes.
Yes? Say hi, your friend.
Hi, friends. Follow me, friends. Out. Bye, friends.
Go ahead.
These are called
Wow.
They have gills. They have red gills, okay? For them to breathe, and that's how they get oxygen.
You can't touch these guys.
We'll have to find the touch pick, okay? Alright, friends, so we just found the fish. We learned about these in school, but I forgot what they were called. Ooh, some stingrays. Just don't let them touch you with your finger on the sting, okay? Alright, do you want to go look somewhere else now?
What's in there? Ooh.
What is this? Crocodile. It's not a crocodile. Hi.
Say hi, fishies.
Hi.
Wow. Here comes the stingray.
Maya, don't worry. They can't sting us, okay? They're inside a tank. Whoa. Look, they're so big, aren't they? Can they hear you? Do you think they can hear you? Do you think they can?
Oh, Maya.
Whoa.
He can't get you, baby. Aww. Did he scare you? Yeah, they're behind the glass. Say hi, fishy.
If you wanted to touch the sharks, they're trying to diddle my head. Against their back. You don't want to pet or stroke the sharks because it will stress them out. Don't do anything, just touch it.
See him, Maya? Touch it. You want to go over there and touch him?
You're so sure that it's in that corner?
I don't want to do it by their mouth, though.
Okay, so come on this side here. They won't bite. They wouldn't put them in the tank if they bit, baby. Feels like a pickle, see?
It feels like a pickle, everybody. Don't be scared. It feels like a pickle.
They have 2 fingers.
It feels like a pickle.
Then don't do it.
That's fair. Easy.
Bye-bye.
One day.
Hopefully
Sunday soon. We'd be happy to see you.
Did you touch it?
Yes.
Yes?
We've been open for 3.5 weeks now.
2 fingers. Just touch right there on the tail.
Or get the one right in the corner there. Yeah. Get his
Whichever
back.
one you want.
Get the back.
By rule for touching the sharks, it is a 2-finger tap against their back. You don't
You're
want
so
to be
close.
patting them or stroking them like
you
this,
go.
'cause that'll end up stressing them out.
There you go.
You didn't do it? Do it.
That one there that I just touched.
Do it.
You did it.
I actually touched it.
What did it feel like?
Weird.
Weird?
It actually felt like it.
It does feel like a pickle? All right, good job. Let's go play hands. Okay.
So if I'm right here.
You didn't touch it. Sorry.
These ones are just regular shells. So when a hermit crab gets bigger, it leaves its own shell, and then it comes into a bigger shell to live in. So that's what they're here for. That's another horseshoe crab. That's like a younger one.
Can they like sting you?
So the tail looks like a stinger, but they only use it to flip over when they get stuck upside down.
Ah, so they're harmless.
Completely harmless.
That's what it looks like upside
There you go.
I touched it.
Oh, look at these big ones.
Now they're scary a little.
Wow, look at his legs underneath.
Look like crab legs.
Oh, he's a horseshoe crab.
Look at that, Mommy. Look at that.
Oh, you can trace the things.
Oh, cool.
Mama, pick up me.
Put a piece of paper on here. Oh, just horseshoe crabs, right? And then you color. Go like this with your crayon.
Ooh, there's his face.
Go like this.
Oh, fun. Here, you want to come up? You want to try?
Yeah.
Here, Daddy will pick you up.
Oh, you want to do a shark?
Ooh.
The horseshoe crabs,
Oh, yeah.
Ooh, a turtle. Cute.
right? And what's Daddy use the horseshoe crabs for? What's Daddy use the horseshoe crabs?
I'm making a yellow and green one.
Are you?
For big.
Come on. This one came out good. Ah, that's how they did it. Sideways.
That's how my teacher teaches me to do it.
Yeah.
Last year did a horseshoe crab. Can you take the pictures with you?
Yeah, I'm sure. Did she say it has three flips?
I could have swore.
So it says a wish for someone you love, and people had like stuck some papers behind it, maybe with a wish for somebody.
Could we do it?
I guess.
With what
And
though?
this is something you are grateful for.
Well, that's what you're supposed to do.
What do you got?
3 days. That formula.
I wrote, I wish for my little sister
Look at my shark.
I wish for my little
made it
sister
better.
grows up to be healthy.
Oh, that's so nice.
Pretty cool,
All
right?
right, we'll stick that right in there. Stick that right in there.
Well, yeah.
I wrote, I am grateful
I looked on the bottom.
for my home, food, clothes, and family.
That's so nice. Let's fold that up.
And so I was wondering, I was like, is this my daughter's or my sister's?
Good job. What a nice view here, huh? Wow. See the whole marina? There's some boats out there. The Atlantic City skyline.
I just pick up me.
Yep, hold on one second. Go outside? Observation deck.
kind of cold out.
You want your sweatshirt? Wow, girls, look at this. Look at the boat.
Is there a cruise here?
No. What do you think, sis? You see the boats? Wow. Look at that big boat.
Oh, go,
Turns on the viewfinder.
What do you mean? I can see through it.
Can you? Maybe you don't pay.
I don't know.
Hold on, let's try it. Worst case, we're out a quarter.
I'm trying.
All right.
See anything different?
No, I can't even see anything.
See?
Can you look me up so I can see?
Nothing's any different.
Let me try again. Oh, wow. That's real
You see? Maya, come here. Let's pull your shirt down.
I'm gonna look to the left.
Go back inside.
Whoa!
What do you see?
All the way over there. Like all the way to those buildings. You can see it up close. Where mommy goes?
She's right there, silly.
Alright guys, so now we're leaving because we finished up here. So let's swing on over here. On over here. $10.
Alright.
How much is this? I can't see how much this is. No, you can't have that. Want this? Yes. How much? Say that.
For Sissy.
You want blue or yellow?
Blue or yellow, baby?
Let's get her the blue one.
Yeah, we'll get blue.
Anyway, she's gonna want a colorful blue one, not From me. Guys, so we might have sort of filmed the outro in slow motion, but it didn't have any audio. So if you like this video, give it a big thumbs up. Thanks for coming to Atlantic City Aquarium. Until next time, stay smart, stay kind. Bye, friends. Thanks for watching.